Hi, Bo here from High Tech Investment, and in this video this is a Lumexbit tutorial on how you can set up your account, and we're going to do a very few simple steps in order to get you started. First of all, we're going to start off on the homepage for Lumexbit, just to give you a few ins and outs and details of the company itself, so you know what is required. And after that, we'll show you how to use the link that we have on our website and in the video links below. After that, you will also be able to sign up for it and exactly what is required, including a couple of crypto addresses that you need to add. And from there, we will basically show you how you can add additional wallets to it, and also how you can get started with buying your first package. And at the same time, we will also show you how you can do a quick withdrawal. But we're going to start off with the Lumexbit website, and let's go quickly and have a look at that. So as we reach the Lumexbit homepage, where we're going to actually start is the frequently asked questions. And this is most probably where most will start off, at least to understand the full scale of the company, what it does, how it does it. And if you haven't seen our first video regarding this company, then by all means the links will be in the description below, and it will also be on our webpage. So you can go and find more details on this. What exactly is Lumexbit? Is it safe? Is it trusted? What do they do? How you sign up? So how to log into your account, which is some of the things that we are covering on this particular tutorial today. The balance into the account, and also the referral link that we'll provide you with, and the extra benefits you will get from using ours. On the technical side, how can you change your password and other information, and if you're allowed to open several accounts in the program, and we can tell you you're not. It might be possible to open one personal and one for your business, but we definitely suggest that you contact support first. And if you do want to contact support, you can actually just simply click the link that you have down here, and you can start talking to them straight away. So we've done that in the past, and they are quite fast and very helpful. Also, how you can change your password if you've forgotten your password, what is the financial password that you have, and how you can change the wallet part, and that we will also cover in this video. And if there's any commissions for deposit and withdrawals. And just before this video started, we actually made a withdrawal in USDT on the TRC20 network, and we didn't incur any fees, so we can confirm that. If we go to financial section here, again, how you can invest with Lumexbit, how you can withdraw the funds, so which is also something we're going to show you in this video. How long does it take for the deposit to be added to the accounts? So all the different questions are here. And how can you make additional deposits if you have to? So if you're paid daily, so which you are, but again Monday to Friday for some of the ones, and it depends on which package you are putting money into. How you calculate the profit, and again, when I will make a withdrawal request, when will the funds be available in your wallets? So what payment methods can you use? And we're also going to go over those items. So plenty of stuff in here. The last one we're just going to show you here is the legal one. So where is the company registered, and the regulatory information regarding this, and we also have that on our website again. So, and when the company was founded, if there's any documents, we have them on the website also here, yeah. And where you can see the documents, what countries you work in, and as of right now, as you'll see, it's not available to the people in US. So, and again, does companies pay tax and insurance fees? And we will show you a bit more detail on this. So let's go to our website, the High Tech Investment website, where you can obtain the link and let's get started with the first setup and login. The High-Tech Investment website looks like this. Obviously all our projects is in here, but we are focused on Lumexbit here today. And if we scroll down, you'll see the video that we talked about earlier. So this was the introduction to Lumexbit, the company setups, who is behind it, and the money we made so far. Here we have the initial part for the USDT, the profits, and what we're looking for here today is basically the extra bonus and the sign up, and you simply click this particular link here, and just make sure that also that please if you use our link that you send us an email afterwards once you set up to make sure that you provide the username and the date you registered so that we can quickly and easily find you in there. And then after that we will send you the information regarding the Telegram app sections, so where you can go in and talk to other investors, and you can also see the daily profits as you saw on the website here in blue just before. So all you have to do is click on the sign up here and you'll end up on this particular page. So the upline you will now have is the username here that you have to make sure it's there, otherwise it's not linked up. And after that you put in your username, you select your email address, your password, and then you confirm your password again, and your country and your phone number. And once that is done, you will have the link down here, so which will tell you that you can now move on. And for that, because we're not setting one up today, but it will basically look exactly similar to this, we will just log into the account, and I'll show you where to go from there. So the second section, so before you actually get to this platform, you will be asked if you can put in your wallet data. So in this particular case for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the USDT on the ERC20 network, Tron, and what we have done here. So when you set up the second part, all you have to do is just enter one address, and then you will have access to the platform. In this particular case, what we've done is we have logged into our account. So once you have done that, you can go to the settings section, and after that you can go to the payment section here, and this is exactly where it is. So the details that they are asking for here is your wallet address. So that means that when you have made a bit of money on Lumexbit, where do you want the money to go to? So in our particular case, so for the USDC TRC20, so we wanted to go back to our Binance account. So if you're set up with Binance, if you're set up with Who, if you're set up with Crypto.com, you go back to your individual wallets there, and you look at the receiving address. So that basically where you can receive your either Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the different 6 ones you have there, and you copy those addresses into these sections here. That's all you do, and then basically you just update it and click send, and they will be saved for future. So now that we set up the receiving address here, let's go and have a look at the rest of the accounts. And in the previous video, if you look at it, we have our different packages here, and we want to add some funds now, and you have 3 different ways of doing this: USDT, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, so depending on which one you want to use. And if you click here on the add funds, you get opportunities again for all 6 in our particular case, which is one of the cheapest ones here, together with the Litecoin, is the USDT TRC20 network. And all you have to do here is add the amount that you want to put into your account, so into your Lumexbit account. You click add balance, and after that you can see here you get the TRC USDT, and this is your address. You simply click here, you get your QA wallet scan. So if your exchange have this already, obviously it's an extra security to make sure that you get it absolutely correct. And as you can see, we have done 2 successful transactions down to here, and you can do similar. If we go back for a second, you will have the same option if you choose here for the Bitcoin. Again, the different various settings you want, and if you want Tron instead or Bitcoin here, all you have to do is again just tell them which account you want and how much money you want to add into it, and now you're getting the Bitcoin wallet here, and you use that one from your exchange to transfer into Lumexbit. So very simple, straightforward. And after that, you can go in and you can set up your individual packages, and that is just as simple as anything else. So you choose the different package that you want. Once you have done that, you simply add in the amount you want. And in this particular case, it has to be between 50 and $1,000 US. And you click invest. And after that, it's basically a timeline. So you will start getting paid. So between Monday and Friday for this particular package. So 24 hours later. So they will not be added to your account necessarily in the morning or at noon. It will basically start when you push the button. You will see on the package also there is a timestamp for this, and that's where your money will come in. That's the time the money will come in. So if you want to get money out again, so let's have a closer look at this. You go back up to the account here, and in this particular case we choose withdraw. And you will now see that because we only put in the TRC20 USDT network address before, it will automatically highlight here that there's no wallet data set at the moment. So for Bitcoin, and you'll see the same is the case for Ethereum and all the other ones here until we get to this one. So this is the one we set up, so that is already cleared. All you have to do again is add in the money that you want. You put in the secret code that you used when you set up the account. Once you put that in, you will basically have, if we just put in a few numbers here, you'll see that these are red, but basically it will turn blue. You click on this particular link and the money is gone. And it took less than 5 minutes for when we sent our last deposit back to, in this case, it was our Binance account. And yeah, within 5 minutes, the money was actually there. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. As you can see, it's very few, very simple steps and plenty of information out there. So also from Lumexbit themselves. And if you need to check out further, so you can always go to our website, or if you still have questions, by all means, go to our website and you can send us an email and we will try and respond as quickly as possible. So for this time around, hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.